In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily create Instagram page for your business. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And the first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. I hope you already have your personal Instagram profile and you are assigned in. Then right here, top add the username and select add account. Then it will prompt you to log into existing account or create new account. Just select create new account. And then it will ask you to pick a username for your new account. Keep in mind that you can always change it later and the username has to be unique. Once you did that, just hit on next. On the next step, you will be able to create a password for your new Instagram profile. And also, instead of creating any new password, you can share logins across accounts. So you can use your main profiles login data to log into your Instagram business profile. To do that, just hit add continue. Then it will ask you if you wish to add a new Instagram account to the account center. To do that, just hit on add accounts and then tap on complete sign up. On the next step, you can add profile photo or you can just keep this step. I'm just gonna select some photo from my camera roll. Let it be that one, then I will turn off this setting, which is called also share this photo as a pause. And I'll tap on next, then tap at remember. And then it will prompt us to follow the accounts. We might know you can follow some Instagram profiles. And then hit at done. And once you did that, it will open up that new profile page. And then you should first off switch that profile to a business page. So to do that, hit at menu icon. Select settings, then go to account. And scroll down until you find the switch to professional account. Just tap on it, hit continue. All the time until you see what best describes you. Then you can select any category from here. Or you can also search for some specific categories. I'm just gonna select blogger and hit it done. Then select whether you are a creator or a business. I'm just gonna keep creator and hit on next. Then top it. Okay. And now it says that there are 0 or 5 steps complete. You can just close it, and that you can go through all of these steps later in any time. Now your Instagram page has that professional dashboard, which means that we have successfully switched it to professional account. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.